Why is it warm in here? David! Come here, please!
What's wrong?
The fridge is warm. Listen, no sound.
You're right. It's not cold anymore. The milk is bad. The cheese is soft too.
We have family dinner tonight. What do we do?
Why is everyone in the kitchen so early?
The fridge stopped working, Anna.
Wait, what is this? There's a paper taped inside. It has a drawing.
It's a heart
Hmm.
and a small car,
Hmm.
but no name.
Who drew this?
Anna?
Anna? Was it you?
Not me. I don't draw cars.
Where's Peter? Peter? Are you awake? Peter? Peter, do you know about the fridge?
Peter, we need to ask you something important.
I unplugged the fridge.
Why did you do that, Peter?
I wanted to race my new car last night. My track needed the plug.
You can always ask us first, Peter.
I know. I was scared to ask. So I made the drawing to say sorry.
Thank you for telling the truth now.
Next time, please ask before you unplug something.
I promise, Dad. It's okay, Peter. We can still save dinner.
The vegetables are still good. And the eggs, too.
I'll plug the fridge back in and check if it's working. It's working again.
Good. We still need milk and cheese for tonight.
I can go with you, Mom. Can I help make dinner, Dad?
Yes. Let's start with the vegetables.
We got everything, Mom. It smells really good, Dad.
This was a strange morning, but a good day. Peter's drawing was very sweet, even if it was a secret.
Next time, I will just ask.
What's Hurnley spacing from?